Charlie, I don't know where to begin. We've gone through so much, the good and the bad. We made so much sacrifices for our relationship, leading us to this very moment. True love isn't easy. True love isn't found. It's built. And it's been 12 years building our relationship and will continue forever. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being my lighthouse. I choose you 1,000 times over and over again. I love who you used to be, who you are now, and who you hope to become. I love you.
My life is like a sweet, sweet melody.
Lovey, I can't believe the time has come. We've been together since we were kids. We've seen each other grow up. You made me into a better man. You've always believed in me, and whenever I didn't believe in myself, you were always there to push me. You still give me goosebumps with your touches and butterflies with your words. It's crazy to think that I'm still crazy about you after all these years. Your love soothes my soul, and your presence comforts my heart. I'm thankful and grateful for the countless memories we've created and excited for the countless more we'll make. I pray that God makes me a better man and the perfect husband for you. You're my best friend, my partner, my ride or die. I love you.
For a moment, so I can see I am not falling to pieces. What could I do to show you that I'd have nothing if I didn't have you?
Nu nó cụ dâu shit yo lu đâu có cụ yo lu có ta y shi chi blo cụ yo lu shit có yan ye đâu có y lên cụ yo Chinging và chữ thọ tu đâu có sung địa phía có yo giờ shi lu địa giờ lu neng yo mùa có cho cái lu chỉ cho chúa cụ yo lu có chỉ bu con cho lu địa lu nên ô đầu va chữ tao dây mùa
xì là cha là cứ đẹp lâu mà có sự mẹ có trẻ cha con.
nên猜nữ yang chỉ用意。
Hi Eve and Charlie, this is your mom, Brooke. I am so happy that you guys finally decided to make a commitment with each other and become a family. I hope that your families will continue to grow. You know, I cannot wait to be a grandma again. I want both of you guys to be able to cherish one another, love each other. You know, I think the most important thing in a marriage and a relationship is to support one another. Communication is very important. You know, respect each other, and mostly support each other's goal and vision.
透过有请绕小几次步。 变起才是要乱呀，孤独把节奏，我祈祷一波头内。